Alright, what up everybody, Ryan225FPL. Brought up the Federal Lightning's 40 grain solid round nose, 1240 foot per second. This is another good favorite ammo of mine, specifically because it is shiny. And I love it being shiny. See how shiny that is? Oh yeah. Anyway, we're going to pop off 5 rounds of these, because I haven't shot any in quite a long time. Silver bullet. Here we go. I was shooting at high-powered stuff earlier. These CCI velocitors of 1435 foot a second and the copper-plated 31 grain hollow point. Very nice. That is 1430 foot per second. Right out of the single shot Springfield. Bullets sound good. And they smell fresh too. And that is the Federal Lightnings. I just shot one and it's so shiny. Anyway, if you have any questions about the Federal Lightnings in a Walmart box, please let me know. I'll answer any questions you have about it. Later.